Assalamu alaikum. Today in the Wazwan series I am going to show you how to make Wazze or collard greens. This video has been made with the help of Kashmir's local chefs or Wazzas. Haakh is a star of Kashmir's everyday meal. It's equally relished in Wazwan too. It's an important veg dish in Kashmir's multi-course feast Wazwan. So let's get started. They start with washing the haakh and then they keep it for boiling. Here you can see it's kept for boiling. It takes around it's kept for 20-30 minutes on flame, and Wazwan is cooked on simmering flame of woods, and till now it's still done the same way. It will be boiled for around 20 to 30 minutes. Then they have taken it off the flame, and here you can see, so they will wait for it to cool down. Then they will wash it in cold water. They will add cold water to it, and then they will squeeze the water from it. And then it's roughly chopped like this. Then in one vessel they have taken this chopped haakh and they will be adding spices. Spices include fennel seed powder, cloves, black cardamom pods, few green cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, and they have mixed chilies with water. These are red chilies, Kashmiri red chilies. They are mild, and then they will be adding a teaspoon of chili powder too, and then mutton stock. Wazwan has enough mutton stock. They add it to all the variety. Now it's ready to go on the flame, so they will keep it cooking on flame for another half an hour. Then they will be adding turmeric powder, salt while cooking it, and then they will be adding fried shallots or prawn. So here you can see they have fried it and made it to a paste, and then they will be adding it to the haakh. It's added to all the varieties. It gives a good taste and it thickens the gravy. And they have added oil too that I have missed to capture. So while cooking only they have added oil. They have not fried the haakh separately. They keep cooking it till almost all the gravy is absorbed. Here you can see there is very less gravy left. Earlier it was quite a good amount of gravy. So they will keep cooking it for some more time. So here you can see, and now they are cooking it on low flame also, like there is very less, flame is quite low now, and here gravy is almost absorbed. Here the scrumptious haakh is ready. Give it a try. Let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.